there is one item right here. You can see this is from ProWire USA. Okay, so this is a Malspec also, but this is complete. Okay, before this we have a ABS Malspec connector, but it's not complete. They are just the connector, but this one complete. Okay, you can see one by one what is the item they provided. Okay, okay, you can see we have male and female also. Okay, this one